Beautiful outfit, by the way. You got lots of fans right here in the crowd. You want to say something to them
She won
first?
Best in Evening Gown.
Yes.
So, of course, I would like to thank every Victoria Sanons, my friends, my family who came to support me. Thank you so much.
So are you ready for your question?
Yes, I am ready.
All right, I'll be reading it in Hiligaynon first. Ang iban nga tawo, gasiling nga ang pagsalig pwede man nga hindi pagtumanon. Ano ang imo nga malaygay sa imo nga suod nga abyan nga nagatinguha nga hindi pagtumanon ang iya nga saad?
In English, people often say that promises are made to be broken. What advice would you give to your best friend who is about to break a promise?
I would talk to that friend. Just like in Panaad Sang Negros, we are meant to fulfill our promise. And we are doing that every single year. Just like how every LGU unites, bringing our different cultures, products, and talents in one location for the world to see it. So if I were to give an advice to that friend, I would want that friend to know that promises are really meant to be fulfilled, just like how we do it here in Panaad Sang Negros. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Lynn Ai Sang Victoria.
Thank you.